Check this beautiful house out, 2 Windmill Court in San Ramon. This beautiful property offers a 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath, sitting at 4,100 square feet of living space and sitting on 11,500 of a square feet of a lot size.
This home is so gorgeous. It's got an open floor plan. There's a formal living room, a formal dining room, family room, open kitchen. It's such an entertainer's delight.
Wow, Payal, I love what you just said about this property. The best thing to do is let's check this out together.
Let's go.
Cheers to this beautiful listing, Payal. Great job.
Cheers.
You know what I love about this property, Payal? Look at this backyard. With the pool, palm trees, barbecue. Do you really need to go on vacation?
Personally, I don't need to go anywhere. This is an entertainer's paradise. It's absolutely gorgeous, private, and serene.
And especially for family that love to entertain their loved ones, this property offers all that. From inside to outside, it's amazing. This weekend, we are having a mega open house. Live DJ will be here Saturday, Sunday. On Friday, Payal will be hosting a twilight open house just for you to see this gorgeous property.
You're all invited to our mega open house this weekend.
You beat me to it. If you have any questions regarding this property, you can reach me in Payal via text, email, and quick phone call. Like always on all the videos, catch you on the next one.